Hello, welcome to ExpertEase AI. I'm Deniz, and I want to show you how ExpertEase AI works and what we exactly do. Let's start from our website. As you can see, ExpertEase AI is about building no-code agentic AI chatbots for enterprise-grade voice AI agents, and we do that very fast. So you can create an enterprise-grade no-code voice AI agents and chat agents, just like this, for example, in under 60 seconds. So you can use it for delivering training, onboarding, support, for customer service, and for whatever purpose you want to deploy it. It could be installed on your website or in your app, wherever you want to deploy it. And it's, of course, 24/7. It's fully AI powered, and we have over 100 languages available. Okay, so let's get into it. So if you don't have an account, please go and sign up a free account. So you will have something like this. Of course, you just fill out and submit after confirming terms and conditions, and then you will receive an email that you need to confirm and validate, and then you will be able to sign into your account. So once you're in the dashboard, as you can see, these are the dashboard elements, and this is your home page in your dashboard. So main functions of our system is basically chat agent or voice agent. So we're gonna start now creating a chat agent just to show you. All right. So this is very fast. All I have to do is just click a new chat agent, just provide a name. Okay, you can select one of these options. These are the role of the agent. Usually I choose customer support. That works pretty well. And you can select the answer length. If you want really detailed and lengthy answers, you can select the long ones. I usually choose a medium one or a long one. Okay, so select your language. This is the main language of your agent. And this section is very important. This is tune your model. This is basically your agent. You're teaching your agent what to do, how to behave. This section is very powerful. It will listen. And if you're not happy with the responses, you can basically tell the bot what to say, what to not say. So, and our team is here to help you with the details. So this is a very important section. For now, I'm just going to the next stage. Clear. So these are basically colors for the agent. Basically these colors here. Okay, if you want to change that, you can make it whatever color you like, and that's very sure. So the font color is basically this one. Okay, right. So this one is basically hide the conversation. If you want us not to store the conversation, then you have to just turn on the privacy here. So widget questions, we allow up to 3 widget questions. So what widget questions are basically just like this. We call them conversation starters. Okay, so these are really good. As you can see, these ones here. This help when your customers or when your visitors come to this AI, to this bot, and if they don't know what to do, these questions will kind of help to start the conversation. That's why they are there. So you can add them here. Okay, so for now, I'm just going to create the bot. Okay, agent is successfully created. So that's done. Now, what we need to do, which is very important, we need to add a knowledge base. Our system is basically working entirely based on your knowledge base, your company's knowledge base. So whatever you provide, that's how it is designed. That's how it's supposed to work. It is not to mix up with how ChatGPT works or other general AI agents. So you can't really go and ask, hey, how is the weather today? What shall I put on and stuff like that. Our system is not designed for that. Our system is designed for enterprise level. It has to be your business knowledge, and you allocate to it, and then you can ask. So, but if you still want to ask or answer these different questions, then you can advice you can give in tune bot section to your agent, how to behave and what to say. It will also answer the questions like how is the weather today or some other stuff. Okay. Anyway, let's get so start in the knowledge. Okay, at the moment there's nothing there, and first of all we need to add a knowledge base. So to add a knowledge base, you can basically go at files. As you can see, these are the file types you can upload. We have many different file types you can upload. That will depend on your package. Okay, so we support many different file types, but of course, by default, even the free accounts have PDF and documents and text files you can upload. And once you upload them here, I'm just going to show you, I will upload one PDF file just to show you. I have uploaded one PDF file. So once it's here, I have to click upload files. All right, so once it's uploaded, you will get this tick and notification. That's all done. However, when it's uploaded, you still need to do one more process, which we call embedding. So embedding is basically you are adding this knowledge into the memory of our system. If you don't do that, the AI agent will not respond to you. Okay, so you have to allocate the data, and then you have the embedded. The embedding function is important. Okay, for that, you click embed data tab, and it is here that what I uploaded, and I just click embed. So I click embed, and embedding files process has just started. Okay, so this will finish in a second, and when it's done, there will be notification confirming this upload. And then I go back. As you can see, it is embedded. So this is now ready to check. If that was your agent, you can basically turn on and you can start talking to it. But I will show you that in a minute. So first of all, I want to continue moving on to the other type of knowledge allocation, how we can add different type of knowledge by, so that was the file upload. Now you can also allocate web content. So what web content does, so let's say you want to train the agent entire website of ExpertEase AI. If you want to do that, you just copy the ExpertEase AI and go to website section, and here enter the website domain to crawl and index the entire site. So if I want the entire site to be scraped, then I go upload. Once it's done, I have to go one more step, embed. So now if I click the process now, you will see, first of all, it will map the website. So it fetched the all information there. So as you can see, ExpertEase AI domain have over 200 available URLs, which is basically including the subdomains there, not just expertiseai.com, but other subdomains. So you can just go check out here which URLs you want to include into your knowledge base, and you can select them. And once you can select, you can confirm the selection and the process will start. So for now, I'm just going to cancel that. And I'm going to show you one faster method. So let's get rid of that. So if you don't want the whole website to be uploaded, and if you don't want to select them one by one, you can also go select just the one page. Okay. In that case, let's say I select the futures page of ExpertEase AI. So I'll just copy ExpertEase AI /futures. So that's this page basically. So what it's going to do, it's paste here, upload. Once you upload it, then you're gonna go to embed data, and then I can basically start embedding process. As you can see, it is now embedding up here. So this will take a couple of seconds, and it will basically put all that knowledge in our memory, in our vector database for you to start working with it. So as you can see, this is now completed. If I go here I can see that green tick embedded. That is all beautifully there. You can also upload the in CSV. You can upload the bulk URLs. You can put all that in an Excel file, hundreds of them, and you can basically put it up there with your Excel sheet. It will upload and embed it. Okay, so once that's done, you can start talking to your agent. But I'm going to show you that in a minute. So first of all, I want to show you the other sections here. If you have files in your cloud storage, Google Drive, OneDrive, SharePoint, or Dropbox, you can basically connect and then and access your files directly from the cloud storage, and the process can be allocated like that as well. So we also have a function of learning from YouTube videos. So if you have a lot of YouTube videos and you want to access that knowledge from that YouTube video, you can basically put the URL of your YouTube video here and do the same process as you did in the web content section. You know how we uploaded here? That's the same thing. You upload the video and then you have to embed it. And once it's done, then your AI agent will respond to queries and also will load the YouTube video with the response here. Okay, so that's pretty useful. Is really great for a lot of support businesses. Okay, so this is this section. Now let me show you some other areas. So this knowledge is added. That's beautiful. So what I can do, I can directly go to chat with the agent, and that will basically give you a URL based field for you to start testing it. Or what you can do, you can basically go to your dashboard, which you will see your agents here. So you can click the view script section here. And this is important if you want to share this with somebody else. If you want to test yourself, you can just click to that link. I'll just show you. But if you want to share this, you need to use the shareable link. Otherwise, they can't open the test agent. They can't display, they can't test it. So it needs to be this particular URL. So this is now ready to test. So the other option is to copy the script. So if you copy the script, you can add to your website, like us here. The agent is, if you want it to be an iframe on your website, then you have to copy the script. Instructions are here, how to use. You can give it to your webmaster, and he or she will put on the header of your website, and then the agent will pop up on your website, usually on the right bottom side corner here, like this. Okay, all right. So let's try test out the agent. So what did we created here? Let's see the content. Sorry. Okay. So let's pick up some content here and ask. Okay. All right. So I'll be asking basically these questions. Okay. Does your AI agent have personality configuration features, for example? Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay, here we go. The response is here. Yes. Configuration features are available to tailor AI communication behavior, align with your brain and needs, and the features include here. The response is here, beautiful, and the source is given. Of course, as you can see that here, when I hover my mouse, the link is showing here. But if you click to the source, it will take to the web page where that information was picked up from. So this is very important, of course, to validate the answers. Okay, so it will put you here. Excellent. All right, so come back. You can also open up and you can see the references here. Depending on your subscription, you can load more references here or less. You can make this response shorter. But however, if you want the output be a bit different, then you need to basically work with the tune your bot section. Let's go in there and show you how that works. Okay, so this is your agent. Okay, so you got to go to edit chat agent. Okay, so I have, as you can see, I have nothing there, absolutely no information for the AI agent, how to behave and what to do. So you can basically put here some information is already given there. You can based on your business, just give whatever you think what it should be doing. All right, so this is edit section. If you want to upload a logo, please choose file and upload your logo here. And in terms of the other configuration, if you haven't done it at the bot creation level, you can always edit them here. Okay, yes, so that's basically this. All right, so let's move on to some other sections. And if you had a chat with your agent, then you can see the conversation history here. You can see what the people were asking. I just asked this question, as you know, and this is the response here. All right. And if you don't like this response, you can just use thumbs up, thumbs down. And based on your feedback or based on your user feedback, the system basically learns from itself, good or bad. All right, so this you can also, depending on your account type, if you have like hundreds of chat histories here, you can also export them and you can use them. So these are the voice histories. If there are any voice chat was there, it will be putting there. Then you can also listen them. All right, so we move to the integrations, and there are different integrations you can add to your bot. This is important section because a lot of people use our system in connection with their CRMs or ERP systems. So there are hundreds of them. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll just show you these three options, the most popular ones, the HubSpot, Salesforce, or Zoho CRM. Let's say you want to connect to the Zoho CRM. And once you click here, you can select the modules within the Zoho that you want to connect to. If you're a Zoho user, you will know leads, accounts, and contacts and deals, and then you can allocate the permissions for that bot here. If it's a customer-facing bot, you don't want to open up all the information in your CRM system. That's why you just change it here. Okay. So just to give you an idea how that look like on Zoho, so these are the modules, leads, accounts, contact, deals, and all that. So let me switch over to Zoho just to show you, as you can see, leads, contacts, account, deals, tasks. So whatever CRM you use, it's going to be kind of very similar modules. So we call these things some modules. All right, so if you activate here in your, when you connect, you will get an opportunity to select the modules that you want to activate and what permissions you're going to give to each of them. All right, so that's how it's going to work basically. Okay, so that was the CRM. So we do have also e-commerce contacts, connections here, major ones you can also implement within your shopping cart. If you want, you can connect to your calendar, so the AI agent can book an appointment on your behalf and it will be inserted in your calendar. So lead capture is if you want to get the contact details from your website visitors, it will be put in the lead section and you will see their numbers and emails and details in that section there. All right, so we also have WhatsApp connectivity, WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram. If you connect WhatsApp, for example, it is, for example, let's say this agent that we have just created, right? So just this one. So you can turn this one on to be active on the WhatsApp channel. That's what it is basically, okay? And you can do the same on Messenger and on Instagram. And you can create, depends on your account type and subscription, you can create as many agents as you want. You can turn on one agent in WhatsApp for one purpose. You can turn on another agent on Messenger for other purpose. You can put on your website an agent like this for lead generation, whatever you wanted to activate it for. Okay, so many agents for many different purposes you can activate. So this section is also will show you if you get any voice history there. All right, so this is basically in a nutshell how you create an agent and how you edit them if you want to. So next, I'm going to show you some other dashboard elements. Let's go back to home again. Here you will see some simple analytics, and depends on your account type. This will be different looking basically. And let's go to the inbox. So inbox is a section where you can see all your chat histories. Okay, so if you have different agents here, you can also see sorted by last message. You can see what the people was asking, and you can also export these things. So here's some depends on your account type. Again, you can activate different analytics, whatever you want to see. Move to the planes. Let's talk about the subscription options that we have. As you can see in your dashboard under planes, you can see chat agent plans. So have a look at from the monthly. So free option is always there. This will be free forever. One agent up to 250 messages a month. It's as default. You can have 250 message limit if you have a free account, and you can use it. Message means the message limit is basically if you ask one question. Let's say you ask, okay, how do I create a bot? Okay, so you submitted this query. This is one message. You receive one answer, and that is one message. So this one message, and it doesn't matter how long this is, we count it as a one message. And even this short question was one message. This answer was a one message. This is how we count it. Okay, and the next we have a basic package. So this will give you 2 AI agents, and you can get up to 1,000 message for free. Then you can also update up to 500 pages. So 10 languages available, so you can check it out. Same professional, it's got give you more, and you can always go to our website under pricing. As you can see under pricing, you see the entire pricing plans in detail, and explanation are yeah. Okay. Okay, back to the dashboard and the plans. So of course you will save more if you choose yearly plans, and a professional becomes 1188. You'll save up to 30%, and that will also give you 60 minutes one-on-one with our technical team for support if you like, and you're going to get dedicated account manager with instant access to the services. And we do have add-ons, and Zoho integration is one of them, because our Zoho integration is very sophisticated and very good. Therefore, if you want to add Zoho integration, it is additional 1188 per annum US dollars, and you need to have professional package as well. So you buy a professional package, and on top of that, you get the Zoho CRM as well, and you will have a great solution. So we also have a bundle special offer if you would like to a professional plus Zoho CRM. So instead of 2,376 US dollars, you get it for 1,999. All right, and of course, our corporate plans are custom solutions. You can ask if you can talk to us if you have any special requirement, and we can give you a proposal, because a lot of businesses have very sophisticated, very custom plans. So these are the chat agents. Let's move on to the voice plans. Okay. And voice plans, and I'm going to show you in a minute how the voice agents works. And voice plans are, it starts with pay as you go, as low as $15 if it's active. Basically at the moment is not, but you can purchase voice AI starter package at $200, and that will give you 1,000 minutes. If you want to have 5,000 minutes, so this is the voice. Basically it's over the phone, so you buy a phone number and your local mobile number. If you're in Australia, for example, 042 whatever, and if you can have inbound calls and outbound calls, and you can activate it to make sales calls for you, and you can activate it to receive calls, to talk to customers and give technical support or whatever you want. And up to 5,000 minutes here is $800, and if you want 10,000 minutes, it's only $1,200. So this is basically 10 cents. It's very, very good price. It's it's actually lowest in Australia. Okay. Okay, so let's go to voice agent.